she has the hiccups.
Hiccups
It's
and
like
pretend.
going in. I think that was the last one because I don't feel them coming anymore.
They'll come. They're just red.
This is the third time tonight.
Third time tonight, what?
You mean this
I had the
morning?
hiccups.
What did you have?
The hiccups. Hiccups.
Tell us a little story about this fine morning.
We went to bed. We never went to bed.
Keep talking.
And we never went to bed, and then it's 8:40 right now, and I think all my hiccups are gone. And Claire keeps snorting in her sleep, and Christine was sleeping with her eyes open.
For 1 hour. I slept for
I don't
1
know
hour.
why you were snorting, but it was really funny.
You were like...
super loud.
Yeah.
How long was I doing that?
For a long
You
time.
did it like 5 times.
Yeah.
Girls.
It was really funny.
actually.
Yeah.
I don't want to snort in my sleep.
That's not our fault.
Why is she waking up now?
Are you...
Does she not like to be sleepy?
Did the dead awake? You were like totally out of it, girl.
Yeah.
Duh.
Why, duh.
Christine, we thought she was out of it, but she was
I
like
could hear everything.
She was
you were
awake.
saying. I don't
Yeah.
fall asleep right away.
This is fun. I think I feel one. It's
I
about to
never
come.
fall asleep this easily before. Can I go to take a shower? I feel really gross.
Yeah.
I'd never be able to take a shower that early in the morning, right after I woke up.
I always do.
Early? I said early funny. Should I stop this?
I guess.